Zilliqa has as of late shaken the crypto world after it had declared the send-off of its new metaverse project, Metapolis. The arrival of this new stage might push Zilliqa to become one of the 50 greatest digital currencies by market cap and cement its situation as one of the top crypto projects. Justifiably, numerous financial backers presently have their eyes on the task's local utility token, ZIL. How might its cost act from now on? Is it a decent long-haul venture? We should figure out this and more in our Zilliqa cost forecast. This Zilliqa gauge doesn't comprise speculation guidance. Kindly remember to do your own examination prior to putting resources into any computerized resource. Zilliqa fundamental analysis. As a utility token, ZIL has very significant crucial worth. To assess it, we should investigate the task that it powers. Zilliqa is a blockchain stage that intends to make a biological system of decentralized applications, dApps. In that endeavor, it is going up against such organizations as Ethereum, Tron, and EOS. To pull in front of the opposition, Zilliqa presented sharding, which altogether accelerates exchanges by dividing its principal framework into a few blockchains. Those blockchains are associated. ZIL, the local badge of the Zilliqa organization, is utilized to make exchanges and execute shrewd agreements, as well as to remunerate and boost all organization members. In this manner, as long as Zilliqa projects are being used, the ZIL token will have central worth. Metapolis. Toward the finish of March 2022, Zilliqa declared the send-off of its own metaverse project Metapolis. Right now, it is the greatest driver of ZIL's cost rally, however one inquiry remains. Will this new task be sufficient to push Zilliqa's cost up in the long haul? The reality of the situation will come out eventually the way in which well it will be gotten. Albeit the NFT and metaverse frenzy has subsided a piece over the most recent couple of months, the tasks behind them are as yet pressing onward. There have been style shows coordinated on different VR stages, and a few craftsmen played entire shows in the virtual world. A ton of ventures have been made into the business, so we are probably not going to see it blur into indefinite quality anytime soon. Nonetheless, that doesn't ensure the outcome of Metapolis or even its smooth send-off and long-haul endurance. While it has a great deal of potential, there's likewise a ton of rivalry. All the promotion around it and its symbolic assembly will help, yet, at last, its prosperity will ultimately depend on the venture's designers and advertising group. ZIL will in any case be an important symbolic, regardless of whether Metapolis earns standard respect. In the event that it doesn't succeed, Zilliqa's cost can constantly return to its pre-rally midpoints. Zilliqa Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Zilliqa costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Zilliqa will be $0.061. The greatest level that the ZIL cost can reach is $0.069. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.063. ZIL price forecast for July 2022. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value vacillations of Zilliqa in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ZIL rate they anticipate may be around $0.054 in July 2022. It can drop to $0.052 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.057. August 2022. Zilliqa price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the ZIL cost will be exchanged at $0.056 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Zilliqa worth to $0.059. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.053 in August 2022. ZIL price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Zilliqa costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $0.057. The least and pinnacle ZIL rates may be $0.055 and $0.061. October 2022. Zilliqa price forecast. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ZIL cost will be around $0.059. In October 2022, the Zilliqa cost might drop to at least $0.057. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.063 in October 2022. ZIL price forecast for November 2022. Having examined Zilliqa costs, digital money specialists expect that the ZIL rate could arrive at a limit of $0.066 in November 2022. It may, be that as it may, drop to $0.059. For November 2022, the anticipated normal of Zilliqa is almost $0.061. December 2022. Zilliqa price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Zilliqa cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.063. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the ZIL cost could change somewhere in the range of $0.061 and $0.069. Zilliqa price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Zilliqa in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Zilliqa will be around $0.089. The greatest expected ZIL cost might be around 11 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.091 in 2023. Zilliqa price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Zilliqa, in 2024, ZIL is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About 12 cents and 15 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 13 cents. Zilliqa price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Zilliqa and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ZIL cost could drop to 18 cents, while its most extreme can reach 22 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 18 cents. Zilliqa price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Zilliqa by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least ZIL costs are normal in 2026. 31 cents and 26 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 27 cents. Zilliqa price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the changes of Zilliqa. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical ZIL cost will be around 41 cents. It could drop to at least 40 cents, yet it actually could reach 46 cents all through 2027. Zilliqa price prediction 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan estimates at the cost of Zilliqa. It is assessed that ZIL will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 57 cents and